Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving the miscellaneous exercise of Chapter 3, Matrices, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 1. The miscellaneous exercise has 11 questions mixing everything from this chapter: transpose proofs, orthogonality conditions, matrix equations, an applied revenue problem, and 3 sharp conceptual questions. Here they are. Question 1. A and B are symmetric, and we must prove their commutator is skew-symmetric. The tool is the reversal rule for transposing products. Transpose the commutator, reversing each product. Symmetry lets us drop the primes, be a minus a B. That is exactly the negative of the original skew-symmetric, as required. Question 2. Sandwiching a between B transpose and B preserves its symmetry type. We prove both directions. Transpose the sandwich. The order reverses, and B transpose transposed is B again. If it is symmetric, a prime is A, and we get back exactly B transpose a B symmetric. If it is skew, a prime is minus A, and the sandwich flips sign skew symmetric. Both cases proved. Question 3. A transpose A equal to the identity means the columns of our unit vectors mutually perpendicular. Each diagonal entry of a transpose A gives one equation. The first diagonal entry is the first column dotted with itself, 0 plus x squared, which must be 1. The second, 4y squared plus y squared is 6y squared, equal to 1. And the third, z squared 3 times equal to 1. Question 4. A row, a square, and a column multiplying down to a single number that must vanish. A row, a square matrix, and a column with x in it. The triple product must be the zero matrix. First the row times the square matrix, every entry written. Then dot with the column, 0 plus 4x, which must be 0. So x equals minus 1. Question 5. A quadratic identity for a 2 by 2, we compute each piece in full. A squared with all 4 entries written as sums. 5 and 7i. Combine entry by entry, every sum vanishes. Identity shown. Question 6. The same shape as question 4 but with x on both ends. Expect a quadratic. The unknown x appears at both ends of the product, and the result must vanish. Row times square first, each entry written. Dot with the final column, x times x minus 2 minus 40 plus 2x minus 8. The linear terms cancel. X squared minus 48 equals 0. So x is plus or minus 4 root 3. Question 7, the applied one. Sales quantities in 2 markets, prices and costs per unit. Revenue is the sales matrix times the price column. Profit compares it against costs. Revenue, the 2 by 3 sales matrix times the price column, all products written. So market 1 brings 46,000 rupees and market 2 53,000. Costs next. The sales matrix times the cost column with every product written, 31,000 and 36,000. Gross profit is revenue minus cost in each market. 15,000 plus 17,000, 32,000 rupees in all. Question 8. X multiplies a 2 by 3 to give a 2 by 3, so x must be 2 by 2, with unknown entries A, B, C, D. The right-hand side is fully given, so matching entries will pin down all 4 unknowns. Write x with 4 unknowns and multiply out the left side. Row 1 matches minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. From the first 2 equations, A is 1 and B is minus 2, and the third checks. Row 2 matches 2, 4, 6. C is 2 and D is 0, with the third again checking. Assembling X. Question 9. Squaring this trace 0 matrix and forcing the identity gives one clean relation. Squaring and equating to the identity produces the relation. Square A every entry written. For this to equal the identity, alpha squared plus beta gamma must be 1. That is, 1 minus alpha squared minus beta gamma equals 0. Question 10, a two-line classic. A equals its transpose and equals minus its transpose. The two conditions together force A to equal minus A. So too A is the 0 matrix, A is the 0 matrix. The final question. A is idempotent, its square is itself, and that collapses every power in the expansion. Expand the cube, I commutes with everything. Idempotence turns a squared into A, and a cubed into A as well. Subtracting 7, A leaves just the identity. That completes the chapter. That completes the miscellaneous exercise, and with it, all of Chapter 3. In the next video, we begin Chapter 4, Determinants, with Exercise 4.1. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to math tutorials, and share it with your friends.